So in this video we're going to talk about the Google Pixel 10, which is going to release soon in India. First of all, let's start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.8 inches of LTPO AMOLED display, which is going to be a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus supported display, and this mobile comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, the Google mobiles has their own chip, that is a Google Tensor chip. This mobile is coming with the Google Tensor G3. And this mobile is also going to comes in two different variants, which are UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM type. So with these three we can expect a good performance from this mobile. By the way, this mobile will be available in mostly three variants: 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and 12GB RAM 512GB, and 12GB RAM 1TB internal storage variants. When we talk about this mobile's camera, the Google mobiles are capable, they are known for their camera features. This mobile comes with the triple rear cameras at the back side. They are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, and a 48 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera, and a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. When we talk about the front, this mobile comes with a 11.1 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. It is different, not like the 12 or 18 or 32. It's at 11.1 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about the battery, this mobile comes with a 5000 milliampere of battery, and it supports 30 watts of fast charge through wire and 23 watts of wireless charge. And this mobile is going to come with a complete metal and glass build. When we talk about this mobile's features like the multimedia, this mobile comes with the dual stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile also comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner latest gen. When we talk about this mobile's operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 16 out of the box. That's a stock version. And when we talk about this mobile's connectivity, this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and all the features. And when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a charger and a cable and a TPU case and SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that included in the box of this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile will be available in three colors: obsidian, white, and the peach color. I will leave the colors in the description box down below with a buying link when this mobile is going to release, so you can check it out from there. By the way, if you're watching the video till now, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. When we talk about this mobile's price, this is the important thing, that this mobile might comes with a price tag of like 85,000 to 89,000 rupees for the base variant. So let's see after releasing this mobile how this mobile is gonna perform. By the way, this mobile is a IP68 and 69 water and dust resistant supported mobile. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and the subscribe button.